Let's cook.
In today's episode of Let's Cook, spicy pork egg rolls. First, we're going to want to marinate this pork, so I'm going to small dice it and put it into a container. Okay, cue the marinade. For spices here, I used garlic and onion powder, a little bit of cayenne, and togarashi, which is a Japanese spice blend. Let's pour that gorgeous marinade all over that pork and get it in the fridge for at least an hour. While the pork marinates, we're going to prep the filling, so let's cut some veggies. Well, that got out of hand. So for the filling, we're going to get a large saute pan, add our cabbage, carrots, and mushrooms, and cook them on high heat with a little bit of oil until they're softened. At which point we will add our garlic and our ginger and cook that till it's fragrant. When that happens, it's time to add the pork. I use a slotted spoon and strain the pork from the marinade, but don't get rid of that marinade just yet. We're going to add it back in the pan once the pork is cooked. So we're going to reduce the marinade for two reasons. First, in order to have a more concentrated flavor in the filling. And secondly, to make sure that we don't have a wet filling for our egg rolls. Now the filling's reduced, we're going to pop it in the fridge for about a half hour. While that's cooling, we're going to prep a dipping sauce. The base of this sauce is Kewpie. It's a Japanese mayo, but you can use whatever you'd like. Mix that up and set it aside because now it's time to make some egg rolls. Grab a healthy tablespoon of the filling and place it down just under the center of the wrapper. We're going to brush each side of the wrapper with our cornstarch paste so it will seal after we roll it. With the corner facing towards you, you're going to wrap up and over the filling and tuck each side as you roll. It might take you a couple times to get it right, but the most important part is that the filling is even throughout and you get it sealed. Grab your tongs because we're frying, baby. On medium heat, you're going to grab a sauce pot and add about 2 inches of oil. Once your oil is hot, fry those babies till they're golden brown and set them on a wire rack to cool. Once those egg rolls aren't too hot to handle, you grab that egg roll, you grab that dipping sauce, and you freaking go to town. I want to thank you so much for being here for episode 2 of Let's Cook. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it, and I cannot wait to show you more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because that's what you're supposed to do if you like something. Thanks so much.
All right.
Did we get it?